Hello everyone, I'm Ramya. Today I'm gonna tell you how to implement a to-do list using Closure. Oh, in to-do list there are four functions like overdue, due today, due later, to displayable list. Let me show the code first. To-do list. This is the code for to-do list. What is a closure? A closure in JavaScript is created when a function retains access to its lexical scope, even when the function is executed outside this scope. Encapsulation. The to-do list function creates a private variable all to stores the to-dos. The inner functions uh, add or due today, due later. These are all have to access the all due to closures, ensuring data encapsulations. The closure ensures that all is not accessible directly, but it can only manipulated through the return methods. Add is used to add a new to do to the list. Marks complete. Marks complete a specific to do as completed by index or due today, due later. These are categorized to dos based on their due date. To display able list, it formats to dos for display. Let me explain the code first. This is the code for to do list. This to-do list function creates a private variable all that is only accessible the functions returned by to-do list. The all array. The all array is a private variable that can't be directly accessed from outside the functions. Only the functions inside to-do lists can be modified. Add is a function to add a new today object to the all array. It's completed. Marks completed. It shows the status or it can update the to-do list at a specific index. This gets the to-dos date, format date. Returns to do that an or that are overdue is before today and completed is false. It filters the to-dos that are due today. Formats a list of today's into a human readable string with checkbox and a due dates. It returns an object containing all the functions allowing controlled access to the all array. Next, go to the callbacks.js. What is a callback? A callback is a function passed as an argument to another functions to be executed later. Here, callbacks are used to display specific categories of today's dynamically. Log results. It accepts a title and also a callback function. Logs the title. Callbacks. It calls the callbacks to generate and display the to-do list. The callback here, this can generate the overdue today's dynamically. Next, go to the promises.js. This file uses promises to handle asynchronous delays. A promise represents the eventual results of an asynchronous operation. It can be in three states: pending, resolved, rejected. Pending. This operation is still in progress. Resolved. The operation completely successful. Rejected. The operation is failed. This is the code. Here, delay returns a promise that resolves after a given time using set time out. Next, go to the async.wait.js. This file uses async.wait to simplify handling promises. Async. It declares a function that always returns a promise. Await. Passes execution of a async function until the promise is resolved. The async operation function executes steps sequentially with delays. It demonstrates how await makes asynchronous code easier to read compared to dot then. Next, go to the file io.js. Oh, this file handles the file operations using fs promises with async wait. Promises a file operations like reading, writing, or asynchronous. Async wait simplifies promises handling for sequential file operations. It reads to-dos from a file and parses them into objects. Errors are caught and logged. Next, go to the last file index.js. ఎవరు ఆహాహా నేను చెప్తున్నా ఇప్పుడు తీయలేను. ఆహా చెప్తున్నా తర్వాత రా కొంచెం 5 మినిట్స్ ఆగాక ఒక 10 మినిట్స్ ఆగాక రా తర్వాత రా నాది ఇంకా పనుంది చాలాసేపు నాకేం అర్థం కావట్లా. This file integrates all the functionality add demonstrate uses. Constant to-dos. It creates a new to-do list instance. To-dos add. It adds to-dos with titles, due dates, and completion status also. It uses callbacks to dynamically display overdue and today's to-dos. It runs an asynchronous operation using async wait. It saves to-dos to todos.json and loads them back to verify. Let me briefly explain these all topics. Closures. It encapsulates the to-do list in to-do list.js. Callbacks. Dynamically process and display to-dos in callbacks.js. JS. Promises. It promises handles the asynchronous delays in promise.js. Async wait. It simplify promises handling for sequential operations in async wait.js and file io.js files. Um, this is the code for index.js. Let me run this code. Open the new terminal. Type cd space. Go to the location of this file. Type command node space file name dot js. Here we get the output like this. Um, uh, Overdue. Thus, it shows the submit assignment date, year, month. No, it shows if there is any due today, due later. Then it starts async operation. To do save to todos.json. It loads the to-dos. Over here, it loads the to-dos like title, due date, it completed or not. Whether it is completed, it gives to it. If it is not completed, it gives false. Here, all operations are completed. This is the process for implementing a to-dos list using closure. Thank you.